Did you zoom it in? I mean, on purpose? Or? Okay.
So as a surprise, okay, tatawagan natin ang family ni Ate back
We're
home.
gonna call your family?
Yes.
Where are they?
She's in the Philippines.
She's in the Philippines? Does she know she's in the Philippines? She looks like she's been, is she in jail or outside? Because she looks like we just caught
Okay.
her. Oh, it's 1 in the morning.
I-ano natin yung face ni Sir Martin. Yeah, let's do that. And then let's ask Sir Martin to speak with you. Sino yung tatawagan natin? Okay, alright.
Hi, Joy.
Baliktad.
Is there audio?
Yes! There you go, Joy. Yep.
Joy,
yep.
move your lips, Joy. Joy, move your lips. The voice will come out. If you move, Joy,
Joy, Miss Joy, can you
She
hear
still
us?
didn't get it. You must know that guy. Joy, are you there?
Yun.
No, I think she's frozen.
Martin, I think na-starstruck sa'yo.
No, she's frozen.
She's frozen?
Oh, there,
There
Joy,
you-
move your head, Joy. Joy. There.
Yeah, she's moving. She's moving.
We thought you were an AI. You want to say something?
Walang signal!
From the Philippines!
Yun!
Binibini Pilipinas. Thank you so much for being part of our. Actually, I'm still doing my show. Thank you for calling in the middle of my portions. This would never happen to Piolo. You know that, right? Joke. Thank you so much. And thank you for being with us here in TFC for the last 30 years. We have so many big surprises still in store for you. We will still find a way to wow you Filipinos. You watch. It may not be during my time, but during the time of TFC, we will continue to wow you because you deserve nothing but the best. So do you, that you're all the way here.
Thank you for sending pagkaran.
She said,
AI? Alright. Thank you, Ate.
Thank
you,
you
Miss
so much, my
Joy.
dear.
Thank you, Miss
You
Joy.
want to sign this for you later on? I will sign it for you. Thank you, my love. You can kiss me, but only the cheek.
Okay.
Three of her teeth are still. Yung ipid mo, naiwan sa cheek ko.
Also, Mr. Martin Rivera, we have another... Ay, grabe,
Ate
na-starstruck
Joy.
si ate.
Okay, doon ka sa booth. Hintayin
Yes,
si Sir
and we
Martin
have
sa
another
there's
big
more.
fan. So, ate, what's your name? What's your name po? Kat. Kat. Oh, where are you from
Your
in
cat?
UK?
Miss Ka,
Sound effects yan, ha?
sinong
Concert
tatawagan
din
natin?
yun.
Where's your phone? Alam ba nila?
I don't have my phone kasi my
Okay.
parents are sleeping na po.
Your parents are
Bye.
sleeping?
It's their 30th anniversary today and my dad is idol ka po niya. Yeah, if we can just meet them.
What's your dad's name?
Jomel and my mom is Miriam.
Jomel and Miriam, but your name is Kat. How did this happen? It's a Filipino thing. You're supposed to mix, right? Jomel and Miriam and Jomel. Mariam? Juriam? Right? Or Jomel Miriam College. Something like that, right?